it's Mia from Interact. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to add your quiz as an announcement bar to your Squarespace website. So let's get into it. To begin, log into your Squarespace website. Then, under Website, select Pages. Under Pages, you are going to scroll down and choose Website Tools. There, you are going to select Announcement Bar. Click on the downward arrow and select Enable Announcement Bar. In the text box below, you are going to type in your announcement bar message. Here you can see what your announcement bar with its message will look like on your website. Next you see Click Through URL. You are going to add a link to make the whole announcement bar clickable. To access the live link to your Interact quiz, go to your Interact dashboard. Once in your Interact dashboard, find your quiz and select Share and Embed. Under Share Link, you are going to click on Copy Link. The live link to your quiz has been copied. Now paste your Interact quiz live link here. Once you are happy with how your announcement bar will appear on your website, click Save. Here is how your announcement bar will appear on your Squarespace website. Click on your announcement bar and you will be taken directly to your quiz. And that, my friends, is how you successfully add your Interact quiz as an announcement bar to your Squarespace website. Go ahead and try for yourself. You can make a quiz within minutes with our AI quiz maker. Simply go to tryinteract.com/AI to get started. Thank you so much for watching and happy quizzing!